Hi, I'm Crafty Rika. Welcome so much to my channel. In this video, we're going to make this cute little arrangement for the patriotic holidays. They start as early as May. So let's jump into it. Okay, so this box is just a regular box I got from the Goodwill, and we're going to take this and turn it into something magnificent, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. I have some flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby, but I'm going to start with my greenery from Dollar Tree. These ferns are from Dollar Tree, and I love them. So I'm going to put one on either end of my arrangement to fill it in with some greenery first. Those are both going in at angles. So perfect. I'm gonna put that in. And then I'm gonna start, I've got some flowers from Hobby Lobby. So I've got some roses, and this is gonna be the patriotic. So red, white, and this beautiful navy blue. So we're gonna start with one color at a time, and then we'll go from there, okay? So I'm putting in one of my flowers, and I'm gonna bend it so it comes towards me. All right, and then I'm just going to use this to set my shape. So I put one in the middle. I always start with one in the middle, and actually I'm going to replace that one with a really tall one. Awesome. And then put this to the side. And I just kind of want a dome coming down. So I'm looking for some of my shorter stems. I'll put this in a line, and then just have this one coming straight down. There we go. That might be a little too much. So we're definitely seeing that with our floral, it's very forgiving. It's definitely very, very forgiving, and definitely you just do it until it looks right to you. So I'm putting that in the middle. Great. And then we're going to put this one right here, right in the middle. So I think that's turning out well. We got something over here. Just want to kind of get that grid shape going. This one's a little short, so I'm going to exchange it for something a little longer. Great. Great. Okay, so now we're going to come in with my white flowers, and I'm going to alternate with that. And these are great because they've got the nice lily with some blue on it. So I absolutely love that. So I'm just going to put that on either side and just alternate that all the way throughout the arrangement. Okay. So hopefully you're seeing this is easy enough that anybody can do it. So you can just make your arrangements at home. And this is just super, super cute, super quick, super easy. And then I have got some of these that we're going to put in for a little bit of airiness. And there you have it. Quick, easy peasy arrangements for the patriotic holidays. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it inspires you to make something beautiful with something that you already have. Thank you so much for watching Crafty Rika, and I'll see you in the next video.